Hey guys, thought I would do a video while I had the shotgun out today. Just a little quick tip for beginners on how to unload your shotgun without having to rack the pump and put a round in the chamber, then spit it out. There's a really easy, simple way of doing it, and I'm going to show you how. So let me flip this over. Try not to hit the light. Alright, so I'm going to use these snap caps, and these things are a little janky, so see how well they work. We just load them up in there. Alright, so right here there's a little bar and you push this bar in, and these rounds will pop out. And they come right out. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. Just push this bar in, this little extractor bar. And if you just so happen to have one in the chamber, you can still do the same thing. But what you do is, alright, now the gun is loaded. Make sure your safety's on, which this gun, the safety is already on. So you'd still do the same thing. You would push that in, take that round out. Now you would flip this over and just rack that last one out. That's it. Alright, hope this video was helpful. If it helps, give me a subscribe, like, comment. Thanks.